It's not fair! It's just not fair!
Oh, damn! I don't know if I can handle this. I hate my life.
I think I got something in my eye.
I hate my life.
But what am I gonna do?
Oh, no! No, no! Not fair! I need some comfort food. I hate this world! I just hate it. Hate everything.
It's not supposed to be like this.
I just need some me time right now. Okay? I just want... Make it stop. I don't like it. Mommy! This is just not fair.
Get me out of this nightmare!
Dude, my bright future is screwed.